So to start up the cooking process, I have my water boiling right here, and I have some melted butter. So what I'm gonna do with this melted butter, you can see the milk solids right there, is I'm going to strain it with this strainer, trying to get the milk solids out, and I'm gonna be pouring it into this pouring container, this Pyrex bowl. And what that's gonna do is that's gonna allow me to have a better pouring utensil to use while I'm incorporating the butter through the emulsion process. So right now I'm going to strain out milk solids. Okay, I'm gonna do this process a couple of times. You can see the butter is a lot more clear. One more time. That butter's a lot more clear. That looks a lot better. Okay, put this off to the side. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to crack my eggs, and I'm going to separate the whites from the yolks. So, crack my egg. Got my white. And what I'm doing here is I'm basically using the shell to cut off the white and the strings off of the yolk. Try to get a clean yolk in there. That's one. I'm gonna be using 3. This recipe calls for 3 eggs for the Hollandaise. I'm just using that shell to cut off the whites. It's 2. And drain them out. Using that shell to cut umbilical cords off. That's 3. So here are my yolks right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on the boil. I'm going to wash my hands.